Hey everybody, Zach Kortz here with RevZilla. Welcome to a quick first ride video of Aprilia's 2021 Tuono 660. So the basic architecture for the Tuono 660 has a lot to do with Aprilia's recently debuted RS 660. No surprise there. Same 659cc parallel twin engine, and from the headstock back, it's almost identical. Same suspension, basically, same aluminum swing arm, same frame, same 4-gallon fuel tank, and same subframe and seating position. The front of the bike is where it gets a little bit different. Obviously now it has a single flat handlebar, and that puts the rider in a much more upright riding position, and the bodywork and styling is slightly different. Not quite a naked bike, but much less bodywork and a smaller fairing than the RS 660 sport bike. The other thing is the electronics. This bike does not come with a 6-axis IMU, and it does not come with a quick shifter as standard. The good news is you can add those features. So you can have a quick shifter for $200, and for another $200 you can get that inertial measurement unit from the RS 660, which will activate lean angle ABS and a couple of the other features from the RS 660 sport bike. Aside from that, the electronics are very similar. You get 3 basic ride modes: commute, dynamic, and then the adjustable individual mode, in which you can go in and change the parameters for wheelie control, traction control, and engine management. There are also lots of other juicy features from the RS 660. So you get big Brembo brakes, huge rotors, big calipers, and a radial pull front brake lever. You get a nifty little platform underneath the passenger seat. You can take it off and you can attach a universal top case or just strap something to the back with bungee cords. There's also an adjustable daytime running light and cruise control, which comes standard on the RS 660 and on the Tuono 660. The basic upshot of how the bike is to ride is pretty simple. It's a lot more comfortable than an RS 660, in part from that handlebar that puts you much more upright. Now, if you're out on the freeway using that cruise control, you are going to be up in the wind a little bit more, but as long as you can tolerate that, this bike would be excellent for sport touring duty, even long trips. When it comes to riding it on twisty roads, I can't say it really gives up much to the RS 660 sport bike. It's just as capable, it's just as light, around 400 pounds with a full 4 gallons in the gas tank, and it moves from side to side so easily and so swiftly. Plus, Aprilia is really good about making electronics adjustable. That means you can turn down the ABS, you can turn up the traction control, depending on what your comfort level is. If you're in the mood to make a ruckus, you can back into corners, you can do wheelies all day long. And even still, the bike gets just about 50 to 55 miles to the gallon. The best news is arguably the price point at $10,499. Even if you'd spend the $400 to add the IMU and the quick shifter, it still undercuts the RS 660 base price by about $400, and you don't really lose any performance and you gain some practicality. Okay, that's about all I've got for you here from California in this Tuono 660 first ride video. Thanks for watching, and a friendly reminder, you can go to Common Tread at RevZilla.com and read my first ride article that will have more photos and technical details on this bike and this event. Thanks for hanging out, everybody. See you next time.